I'm going to be doing the eval for the 1516 Gracey Curet. Now this tool is used in the posterior teeth only for the mesial surfaces, as well as the facial and lingual. So I will be doing these on the maxillary and mandibular. So first we're going to start at the right linguals. Now the right linguals are the way I'm showing you, I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently just so that you can see what I'm doing. But these ones will be done in 11. I also do not have cheeks on my typodont, so I'm just going to leave my mirror in the mouth as if I was retracting the cheeks. So what we are going to do, let me see if I can see what I'm doing as well as show you what I'm doing. So we're going to make sure that the cutting edge is mesially. We're going to start distofacial line angle. And these gums are actually quite impossible to get into, but normal teeth gums, not so much. So what we're going to do, you're just going to want to make sure that you're hearing a scraping noise, because if you are not on the cutting edge. So start at the distofacial line angle again. Make sure angulation is good. And do an exploratory stroke, and then a scaling stroke if you find something. It's going to be a little bit longer with a little bit more pressure. Okay, and for the last tooth in that area. Okay, and then we're going to do the left linguals, which that's going to be an 8, but I'm just going to show you this way so you can see what I'm doing. And so I can see what I'm doing with the camera in front of me. So what you're going to be doing, my mirror would be in the mouth, of course. So what you're going to do, goodness gracious, if I can get this camera angle right. I'm going to go ahead and actually sit in an 8. So what you're going to do is, let me show you on a tooth that's easier for you to see. So I would be fulcruming on the surfaces here, distal facial line angle. And you want to make sure that you're hearing that noise if you can hear it. And then one more here. Okay, I'm going to do a few teeth in each one. That way you can get this video as short as possible. Now we're going to do the mandibular right facials and the mandibular left facials. The mandibular right facials are going to be in 8 as well. So I'm just going to show you here if you could see. So you're going to do the mesial surfaces only. So you're going to, oh, I'm actually in my own way here. Hold on just a minute. Let me pop this jaw out a little bit. That way you can see a little easier. So to get the mesial, I would be able to stand it up more, but you can't see it. So I'm going to do it this way. Again, if I was standing up this way, it would look like this on the tooth. And then bringing it around all the way. Of course, I cannot fulcrum because of the typodont, but I would be fulcruming. Well, I'm fulcruming on the top a little bit, but I would be fulcruming more on the bottom arch if I could. Okay, same thing. See if you can see it better on this tooth. There we go. And then in 11, we're going to do the mandibular right facial. So you're going to do this here, just a facial line angle. Make sure you're hearing that scraping. I am just going to fulcrum on the maxillary arch just so you can see what I'm doing. But here, going under the gum line and doing a scaling stroke if there is calculus there. And that is all. This is going to be my eval for the Gracey 1516. Thank you.